Balmuda The Kettle's precision pour spout is designed for the optimal pour overflow rate, a pouring experience unlike any other. Based on tireless ergonomic research, the handle fits snugly into your hand and the hot water flows smoothly and cleanly from the nozzle, letting you direct the flow exactly where you want it to go, from careful overpouring to everyday cup filling. This kettle is a beautiful and comfortable companion. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Lightweight, perfect size, easy to use and light to handle. Balmuda The Kettle is the perfect size for common kitchen needs. It holds just enough water for 3 standard cups of coffee or 2 large mugs. Number 2. Quick heating. Balmuda The Kettle boils water in just a few minutes, meaning you can enjoy a cup of coffee in no time. Stop wasting your time in front of the microwave or stove. Number 3. Gentle glow. The kettle's power light is a tiny neon tube in the handle with a unique, delicate glow that can be seen from any angle. This attention to detail helps to enrich even the few minutes it takes to boil a pot of water. Number 4. The electric kettle for every day. Because it is smaller in size, the water is heated faster. The beautiful texture of painted stainless steel and soft power light glow makes the time of boiling water a joy every day. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is there any plastic part that will touch the boiling water or vapor? If yes, is the part BPA-free? Answer. There are plastic parts inside called Steam Inlet cover. This piece should not touch boiling water because it is above the max water-filled line. However, it is BPA-free. Question number 2. Is it possible to remove the plastic Steam Inlet cover? Answer. Yes. It can physically be removed because there are screws, although we strongly recommend that the Steam Inlet cover is not removed. Question number 3. Where is this made? Answer. The kettle is made in China. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.